I just filmed my analytic report video, but I think so I'm gonna change that video up to be how do you use YouTube Studios and or how to upload YouTube videos on YouTube Studio. So let's start this video with the videos first. So you will go to YouTube, right? You wanna make an upload video, upload short or upload video. I want to upload video. Just show you guys like how to edit, film, and talk about more. So when this video posted, obviously this video is gonna be edit. You're gonna have to do edit video. You want to change the thumbnail or the title. Change the title first, and you will change the thumbnail. So with this title, I am gonna put like just a random video. This is the random video. So when you put that just a random video, you will go to your Canva if you have it. So you just go to your Canva and you will pick up a template. But my templates is thumbnail template. So this is all my templates here for my thumbnails, and I love how I made my thumbnails for 2023. Productive day in my life. You guys will see that. Cook with me. You guys will see that too. And get a new thumbnails. So what I do with this, I will go to my views, and I will do this one. Obviously I will take a screenshot, and the other motorcycle is coming. So I will go to the plus sign. I will press the plus sign, and then you will go move all over here. You will go to uploads. This is all my recent pictures. And you go to upload files and photos. Choose from the library. I choose that, and you put this in here. Just crop it out. Just one single shot. Usually I will do four screenshots, maybe 10 screenshots, and I will put it and make it a different little thumbnail. And I will probably draw the thumbnail. So like I want to draw like outline kind of thing. So I'll put random in the side of the video, and I love that's actually shot. So you will upload the video, download the video, let me download the picture, and I will put the number 10, right? Put it, download the video just straight. Usually when it's downloading, it already have the download, so I will probably move that stuff. I will probably edit a video again. Custom thumbnail, random thumbnail, and just put random, just a random video. Description, this video was and I will so I will edit a video again. I save it multiple times, and I go to visit video link. I will schedule my videos because my videos is Monday to Tuesdays, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard, 12 p.m. Pacific time, and I will post it for next week. Put it 12 p.m. is already posted for me for 12 p.m. and local time, and save the video. So easy, you guys. You just how to. If you guys want me to film like a full video about how to film, edit, thumbnail, post on YouTube Studios, and see how the analytics will go. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos and vlogs I want to do. And let's see you guys in the next video. Bye.